Are you looking for a sales funnel template for coaches? If so, I've found one that you can modify in just a few minutes and have online right away. Welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. My name is Amanda. In this video, I'm going to show you a super easy to set up sales funnel template for coaches. So you can get more leads, make more sales, and make more money for your coaching business. Stay until the end of this video, and I'm going to tell you how you can get my free SEO for Bosses checklist that will help you get more traffic to your sales funnel and ultimately make more sales. Now, quickly before we dive into it, don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I upload new videos, hit that bell icon as well. First things first, you just need to click on the link in the description below that says template for coaches. And then it's going to bring you to this page right here. Now, all you have to do to get started modifying this is click the save button in the top right corner, and then it's going to ask you to log in. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link that says create new account, and then it's going to bring you to the BUILDERALL page to sign up. Now, the reason why I'm showing you how to create this in BUILDERALL is a couple reasons. First of all, it's one click basically to get your template. And then you just have to modify a couple of things to make it make sense for your business. Second of all, these guys will provide you with all the hosting, all the support, and the price is honestly unbeatable for a funnel software. So check it out down here. The price is only $29 per month, and that will give you all of the things that you need to make this funnel work on automation. So that includes the unlimited pages, funnels, domains. Sorry, it's not unlimited domains, it's 15 domains. But you as well have unlimited email and all that good stuff. Once you're in there, I want to show you really quickly how the funnel works. This is the landing page. You could link from your web page to this landing page. It really depends how you want to set it up. So just to give you a quick example, let's say that this is your home page. Now you see here, they just have a big button. There's no opt-in, and it says book my session. So this is a free offer. This is one of the highest converting types of funnels that you can start off with, is a free upfront offer. So all they do is they click on that guy, and then they end up coming to this page where there is a countdown timer, which gives them some urgency. And then it basically tells them that if they want this deal, there's only 10 left. You can obviously change that to whatever number you want. And then on the next page, it takes them to the email opt-in. And that's really when the fun begins. So then you'll see here the email opt-in, and this email opt-in form will connect directly to your mailing system in BUILDERALL. So you don't need any other software. It's just all in one place. It's super simple. Drop a comment below if you already have an email software and now you're thinking, maybe I need to make a switch. Even if you decide not to go with BUILDERALL, you can just take this outline and put it into whatever software or funnel builder that you're using. Okay, so once they've opted in their email, then they go to the email confirmation page, and that basically gives them the instructions that they need to finish completing some of the other steps. So step 1, go to your email. Step 2, open the email and click on the link to confirm. So this is a 2-step opt-in, so a double opt-in. And the reason why this is really good for coaches is because this means you're getting people that are highly engaged. If they're not completing step 2, you probably don't want to coach them anyway, because they're probably not going to do anything that you tell them. And then step 3, done, you're registered. Once they click on that link in the email, it's going to send them to this page, or at least you're going to put that link in there, right? And this is going to tell them, congratulations, you got your free session. Now you just need to book it in with us. So this page is just really simplified, and they just have a phone number, which is fine. You can have just a phone number if you wish. Or what I would even do is I would add an element right here, and I would go to apps, add HTML, okay? And then what I would do is I would go and get an ACUITY and get a free account to schedule people in. I'll put a link in the description below. And then all you gotta do is click on your client scheduling page, and then they'll give you the HTML that you need right here, embed scheduler, and just copy. And then you just go back to your editor. And I just put it in here, boom. And there's my scheduler. I'm not gonna delete all this other stuff right now, but here you can see my schedule thingamajigger. Okay, so then people can come and schedule in right in on that page. Now, there is even more to this. This is why I really wanted to share this template with you. They have these resources, Facebook ad templates and the email sequences. So this could really help you out if you want to adjust them at all. There is a really cool app inside of BUILDERALL. Under apps, it's called Script Generator, and that will generate all your sales script that you need for either your emails or your sales page, whatever it is that you need help with for your sales script. So here's first the Facebook ads templates. I mean, here's, this ad is for the news feed, and this ad is for the right column. And then you've got your email sequences here. So this one only has 3 emails in the sequence, which from my experience in marketing, it's not quite enough, but it is enough to get some results. So you feel free to change this as you wish. And you see here, it will tell you exactly what to put in there. So the first email obviously should be to confirm your email, as we told them, hey, you have to check your email and you have to click the link. So make sure that you put that link in there. And then email number 2, you might even just follow up with them the next day. Schedule your free session, right? If they didn't already schedule that, make sure that they schedule their free session. And then email number 3, there's more. There's a 30% off coupon. Let's say that you sell your coaching offer for $1,000. Maybe you're giving them an exclusive offer for only $700 or whatever it is. And then lastly, up here in the navigation, you can also go to the blueprint and see exactly how they lay out the entire funnel. So you see here, they lay out the entire structure for you, tell you exactly how you should make the flow happen, and they give you a little bit of instruction as well. So I highly recommend this sales funnel template for coaches because it's super simple to set up. It's exactly the type of flow that you need to get clients into your coaching business. Just need a couple little tweaks, and it's extremely affordable. So now that you know how to get this sales funnel template for coaches, grab my free SEO for checklist SEO for Bosses checklist in the description below so that you can get traffic to your funnel and start making the sales. Sorry that I haven't been looking at you for most of this video. Give me a big thumbs up on this video. Share this with your other coach friends, and I'll see you on the next video.